Hey everybody, this video got 6 more of these blue American 1100's, and get through these, and then I think I just got 6 more of these in another box after these 6 blue ones, 6 more, an undetermined color in another box, and then a Chateau C970 to pick. And I think I pretty much cleared my backlog of stuff. There we go. Yeah, alright. That felt really hard. I don't know if it was or not. I do have keys for these here. Let me drop it out. And 6 keys sitting over here. I don't know which one it is. Two left. Amazing. 6 keys. And it is the 6th one to grab. The odds of that here. I fell out in the wrong order. Alright, so there's our key pins here. Take a look at the key. 86746. So it's not terrible. Bitting on that makes it kind of easier to wear longer. And then upstairs, we're going to have serrated, and spool, serrated, serrated, and serrated. So we got one spool over two. And when I put this back together, I'm actually going to put the spool over number 4 because it's shorter. So maybe it'll do a false set if I ever decide to pick it again. And then, yeah, the spool should be over the shorter pins. But knock that one down. So, see what we got there, 4 serrated and a spool. And that will do it for this video. And we will talk to everybody later.